Hello friends, this is Balakrishna. You are watching Bala Online. Today I am presenting a different video, the construction of our house. Nothing but construction means today we are just planning for the roofing, nothing but the concrete. So we have already laid the iron rods and the electrical pipe. So in next half an hour to 1 hour, the plant will come and ready. Entire aluminum rod, TMT rod work has been completed. So it is up to the Mistri and other people, laborers come and lay the concrete cement. So it takes some time. The stipulated time is to start at 9:30 a.m. today. That is our delay to complete by in the afternoon. You can see here the column beams. I'm just trying to show you. It is almost 9-inch depth. And roughly we are strong. We are trying to make a 3 floors. This plan is provided by the engineer architect, so it is tend to be a very good plan. Here, my dear friends, they are tightening the column beam so that the side becomes perfectly and it does not move when we are laying the concrete. Usually we are making this. The calculation is 6 pair of 6 pieces of stone, 5 pieces of sand and 2 pieces of cement. The ratio of 2 to 5 to 6 the engineer has advised to mix. So accordingly we are just going to mix and accordingly the water will not add more water, not dissipate properly. So the contractor has used this like brick for transportation and all the people, otherwise they don't have to drop it normal it takes longer than so this is the first block we are trying to complete. It's almost 1 hour, but it is not yet completed. So the site area is 30 to 40, and I think it will take 4 to 6 hours minimum. So thicknesses we are giving up to 5 inch. Usually it should be 4, but engineer advises for the 5 inch.